Hello, this is Scotty with Scotty Animation. This will probably be the final recording of this segment. I'll show the previous two after this one, like bloopers or something, right? Anyway, this video is going to be about this Black & Decker chainsaw, which I've had for a few years, and it served me well. And however, the problem is that the battery retired, right? And didn't tell anybody. So I took the batteries out of it, and I guess I could probably show the inside of that here in a second. But anyway, I've got wires going from this down through a charger for a RYOBI battery pack, which is removable, and it's got wall mounts on the back of it, so that's how I've got it attached to this. Now it's 18 volts, by the way, so works pretty good. You could probably get one of these rechargeable battery packs online. I didn't even look. I just wanted to fix it immediately without having to wait, for anything. But this actually comes out, maybe. There it goes. It's basically just got some wires in there running through. This is an empty shell, basically. Just had to drill a hole through the bottom of the RYOBI charger. Take it apart first, of course. And also, one other thing I had to do was put this pigtail on it, because the power cord is permanently attached to the charger. So I didn't want the whole thing flopping around while using the chainsaw. So see if it still works. It should. I don't see why it shouldn't. Yeah, okay. Seems pretty durable. I'm happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching. Following this will be a couple of unedited clips of me trying to do this presentation that I just done. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello, this video is going to be about this Black & Decker chainsaw, which I've had for a few years, and it's served well during that time. However, its battery pack has expired, and I didn't even look to see if you can get a replacement. You probably can, maybe somewhere, but I decided to just go ahead and make something real quick. Just get it working again. So I took the batteries, the rechargeable batteries, out of the Black & Decker battery pack right there. Took those out, ran some wires down to the charger unit for the RYOBI battery, and just passes through 18 volts. Backwards. Okay. All right. Alright, this video is going to be about this little chainsaw. I've had it for a few years, and it's a Black & Decker chainsaw, and it's served well, but its battery pack is expired, and I mean, you might be able to get another one. I don't know if you can or not, but I didn't look. However, I've come to learn that RYOBI makes a really good battery pack, and it lasts a long time. Modern technology, I guess. But so made an adapter, took out the original battery pack out of this one. The recharger unit for the RYOBI battery pack has some wall mounts on the back of it, so I simply attached this to this using those, and works pretty good. Also, I had to put a little pigtail on it because the cord was permanently attached. So, but that's it. That's a RYOBI battery adapter for a Black & Decker chainsaw. I like this chainsaw. It's a good one. Alright, talk to you next time.